Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, and this is Minakshi. News headlines in English for 15th of November. First of all, national news. If forced religious conversions not stopped, Supreme Court cautions. Mamata Banerjee apologized for Trinamool minister's comments on president. IIT Gandhinagar PhD scholars awarded Prime Minister's Research Fellowship. 3.2 magnitude earthquake hit Madhya Pradesh Singrauli. Delhi's dengue infection tally rised to over 2,700. Court asked probe agencies for details over alleged Delhi liquor scam media leak. Delhi ends diesel vehicle ban as air quality improves. Dream big, dream for new and developed India. President Draupadi Murmu to children. Transparent decision making necessary for combat readiness, Rajnath Singh. Places of Worship Act. Centre granted time till December 12 to file affidavit. Kerala High Court annuls appointment of Kerala University of Fisheries on Ocean Studies Vice Chancellor. PM Modi heads to Bali to attend G20 summit. PM Modi on India's G20 presidency theme One Earth, One Family, One Future. PM Modi paid tribute to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru on his birth anniversary. And now some international news. Russian software firm disguised as American finds its way in US Army. Zelensky visited Ukraine's Kherson after Russian troops withdraw, a report said. Biden Xi seek to avoid conflict at first US China summit in years. Height of fakery. Russia denied foreign minister was taken to hospital. More European Union sanctions for Iran over crackdown on hijab protesters. China Australia to hold first leaders meeting in years at G20 summit. After Democrats took Senate, narrow race to control US House on. Canada Army can now recruit immigrants with permanent residency status. China reported 16,072 new COVID cases, highest in recent outbreak. UK Prime Minister Rishi Sunak heads to G20 with veiled attack on China. On PM Modi's Indonesia visit, bilaterals with Rishi Sunak, Emmanuel Macron. Turkey minister blamed blacklisted terror group for Istanbul street blast. And now some sports news. Virat Kohli, Surya Kumar Yadav included in most valuable team of ICC Men's T20 World Cup. Iran's full squad for FIFA World Cup announced Sardar Azmoun in. George Russell sweeps to first Grand Prix win with Lewis Hamilton second in Brazil. Rafael Nadal failed to keep up with Taylor Fritz in ATP Finals opener. Kidambi Shrikant pulled out of Australian Open Samir Mithun in fray. Mary Kom, PV Sindhu, Mirabai Chanu and Shiv Keshwan elected in IOA Athletes Commission. News related to business. Sensex fall over 170 points, stalling Friday's blistering rally. Retail inflation eased to 6.77% in October, lowest in 3 months. Centre ready to bring fuel under GST. Petroleum Minister Hardeep Singh Puri. India's urban infra needs investments worth $840 billion over next 15 years. World Bank. Inflation to fall within RBI's target range by March 2023, a report said. Wholesale price inflation eased to 8.39% in October, lowest since March 2021. LIC share jumped 9% to mark their best intraday gain since listing in May. Global economic outlook getting gloomier, says IMF ahead of G20 meeting. SEBI proposed mandating top 250 listed firms to confirm or deny media reports. News from Science and Technology. Scientists found hidden galaxy cluster in phantom zone of universe. Australian rocked may hold clues for mission searching for life on Mars. Let's have a look on weather of New Delhi. The temperature of 16th of November in New Delhi will reach to 28 degrees Celsius at daytime and will drop to 15 degrees Celsius at night. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.